everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Alishia if you're new to my channel. If you're not new to my channel, hey girl. So today I'm working with IDefine. They sent me over this beautiful 5x5 wear and go wig. It turned out absolutely fabulous. I love it. If you guys want to see me unbox this wig and see what it comes with, see me install it, how I got it to look like this, please continue to watch. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok. I'll leave that right here so you guys can follow me over there. Thank you so much for coming to my channel, and let's get into this wig install. All right, you guys, so we have a IDefine wig today. All right, so let's see what we got in here. We have our wig package like so. It looks like we have a 12-inch, 180% density. My cap size is large. They also give you 2 wig caps. I'll probably use the dark one because it's closer to my skin tone. I love that they give you 2. They have a card. It shows you how to install your wig, how to return them, how to take care of them, how to wash them, all that good stuff in there. Oh my gosh, this is only a 1 pack. Wow, it sure is. Okay, let's just go ahead and put this on real quick. Okay, wig cap secured. So here is what the lace is looking like. The lace is already cut. It looks like it's pre-plucked already. They are bleached. I believe this is a 5x5 closure. So we've got, yes, we've got a lot of parting space up here. We have, it looks like 4 combs, adjustable strap. And this is giving real Bobbiana. It says 12 inches. It says 12 inches. I don't know. I don't know about it being 12 inches though. It is already in a side part, so I'm gonna leave it in the side part. It's really, really good. The hair feels amazing. I love the highlights. As you can see, we got some highlights throughout the wig. It looks really, really gorgeous. The hair feels really, really good. But I'm just having a hard time believing that this is 12 inches when it looks like 4 inches from the wig cap. Maybe 5 inches from the wig cap. So I'm not sure where the 12 inches is coming from. Maybe the top part is 12 inches. But this is giving like a Bobbiana. This is a grab and go wig, so it should be pretty easy for us to install. So I'm just gonna put some foundation on the lace here. I'm going to hot comb the wig backwards a little bit and then see how much I need to style it. If I need to go in with like a curling iron or flat iron, do some flat iron curls. I'll probably use my flat iron to like do my front little curl piece in front of my face. Let's get into it. It does look like a really beautiful wig though. It's really well constructed. It also looks like a breathable cap too as well because I can see my fingers through it. So it is a breathable cap, so you can definitely wear this at night if you desire to. And it also does have some adjustable straps on the sides. So yes, this should be an easy breezy install. So let's go ahead and get into it. All right, I am finishing styling the hair, you guys. The wig came out really, really beautiful. I did go in with my curling iron and just put a few curls in just to make sure that they were going the right way, but not too uniform, and make sure I got my little swoop in the front together. But the wig laid really, really well. The wig is actually still glueless, so it's laying really, really flat to my head. You can't even see any lace for real. I did go ahead and put some 2 baby hair swoops in, just because I just feel like if you don't put any baby hairs in, it just looks straight. And I want like some curves, some definition, just to make it look a little bit more natural. But yes, it turned out fabulous. The hair is beautiful, super easy. I feel like now that I've styled the wig and molded it into its position, when I take it off at night and want to put it back on in the morning, it's going to be super, super easy. And it's definitely in a wear and go state for me now. I also did pluck my hairline quite a bit as well, because again, I just wanted it to look more natural, and I feel like it looks exactly that now. It is absolutely gorgeous. The highlights are not overdone. They're really, really subtle and beautiful, blending really, really well. I do love it indeed. So yes, make sure you guys check out IDefine on their website. They have a mega sale right now. It's like a mid-year mega sale they have going on right now. So if you spend like $385, you get like $100 off. They have coupon codes. I should have a coupon code in my description box if you guys check that out as well. When you're ordering your wig, you do get free shipping. All the wigs are 100% human hair. If you don't like your wig, you can send it back and get a refund on it. Also, when you're picking out your wig, you can pick out the color of the wig, the length, the cap size, the density of the wig. They have so many different options for your wig of choice, whichever one you pick out. They have endless options. But yes, this is just one of them, and I love a 5x5 closure wig because it's just so easy to deal with. You don't have to deal with any ear tabs. It just looks really, really natural. It looks really, really beautiful. I went ahead and changed my shirt because I just felt like that t-shirt I was wearing just wasn't given for the final look. Make sure you guys check out the description box. I will have the direct link to this wig that I'm wearing for you guys, to the website. You guys can check out all the deals that they have going on. As IDefine, they have some beautiful wigs for you guys to choose from. So make sure you guys check that out. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.